Okay, Mr. Benjamin, you're welcome.
All right.
I hope you are seeing us clear and sound.
I'm hearing clear.
Okay. May I ask, do you have any question before I proceed?
I've not attended the conference before. This is the first time.
This is your first time. Are you a forex trader already?
Yeah, though I started a month ago. I was
Okay, you are a
chatting
forex
with
trader.
you. Yeah.
Okay. I want. Let me start from the platform.
Okay.
Are you familiar with how to use a MT4 platform? This is our platform. This one.
Not really.
Okay. This is technical chart. It is called MT4.
Okay.
This is or some person call it trade station, but it's popularly called MT4.
Okay.
Under this column is where you see the currencies you are trading on, and under this column, as you can see, you see euro. This is USF. If you click here, you see JPP USD. This is an indices. This is gold. This is natural gas. This is Nigerian naira. That is USD versus Nigerian naira. This is USD
Okay.
versus Japanese yen. This is euro JPP. This is Australia. You know, as you can see now, there are a lot of charts I'm showing you. This is a stock. This is stock. This is crude oil. This chart is crude oil. As you can see, crude oil, the current price of crude oil now is 46.67 cents per barrel. This point is where you see the price of the commodity or the currency you are trading at this point. Then, if you want to bring out more instruments, you click here at this point. You click here, you can see that there are a lot of instruments to trade. Assuming I want to bring in Australia USD, that is AUD USD. I click on AUD. It has come up. I have to close one chart here. Let me close this chart. This is AUD USD. Look at it here. Then at this point is where if you want to zoom the chart, for you to see the chart very well, you zoom it here. Then you want to change the pattern of the chart, you click here, candlesticks. Now we have two types of charts. We have candlestick charts. We have we have three types of charts. We have candlestick chart. We have bar chart. This is bar chart. We have line chart. But on candlesticks, we have two types of candlestick. As you can see, you see the red one. So you see the. Can you hear me very clear? Hello. You can hear me very clear. You can hear me right? This is the. We have two types of candlesticks. This is green candlesticks. This is white candlesticks. So the green chart like this indicates a buying trend. Can you hear me very clear?
No, yeah.
Okay, assuming if you can hear me, you can send a chat in the group. If you go here, you see where you can send us chat.
Okay.
Can you hear very clear now? As I was saying, on this level is where you see this point now. This is green chart. This is green candlesticks, and the green candlesticks is a sign of buy. At this point is the current price of Australia USD. At this point is the current price. Then I want to let you understand something. When it comes to forex trading, it's either you buy a currency or you are selling, and you make profit in both ways. The essence of trading is for you to understand the right position to take at a particular time, how to make analysis, and how to know when you are gaining, and then other things attached to trading. Then when you watch this chart now, all these candlesticks, you can see that they are in pace. They are not alone. You see USD, Swiss francs. Can you hear me very clear? You see that USD, Swiss francs are together. You see Britain pound USD, they are together. So they are not alone. They are not alone. So currencies are traded in pace, in two. They are traded in pace. You will use one currency to buy another. Then at this point, as you can see that we have USD first before Swiss francs. This USD here is called the base. It's called base currency because it is the first currency before the second one. It is the base currency. Are you with me? For example, here we have JBP USD. JBP here is called the base currency, while the USD here is called the put or the counter currency. Then, as you can see, the chart is up and down. Meaning it's either you are buying or you are selling. So anytime the market is going uptrend, it means that the base currency is gaining strength against the put currency. And anytime the market comes down, the price of this space comes down, it means that the counter currency is gaining strength against the base currency. I hope you have anybody in the house? So, in case you want to buy a currency, assuming you want to buy JBP USD, when you click buy, automatically you are buying. You are using your British pound to buy the counter currency. In order for the currency to appreciate in value, then you make profit. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Then when this chart particular is coming down, it means that the counter currency is gaining strength. That is the US dollar is gaining strength against British pound, because the USD is the counter here, while the British pound is the base. Unlike this point now, this is USD Swiss francs. If the USD Swiss francs is gaining strength towards down, then it means that CHF is gaining strength against US dollar. Then if the market is actually going up, I mean the price is going up, it means that the USD is gaining strength against Swiss francs. Are you with me?
I'm not hearing clear.
Okay, you're not hearing me very clear.
Hello?
I'm with you. Can you hear me now?
I can't hear you clear. Okay, I can hear you now.
Okay. Shall I explain again?
Yeah.
Where did you get lost?
When you were talking about if you want to place a trade, you were talking about the US dollar and the CHF. This one.
Okay. You know, in trading, it's either you are buying or you are selling. I think you know that.
Yes.
The question is, what am I buying and what am I selling? Selling. Okay. And you know that it's either the price of any commodity or any currency is going up or is coming down, kind of depreciating or appreciating, based on the economic reality behind any of them. Can you hear me clear now?
Okay. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So now, currencies are traded in pace, and all these charts, we have two types of charts here. You can see that the market came down here, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, something like that. Yes. So now I want to let you to understand that anytime the chart or the market comes down, the price of this pay of this pay we are watching now, we are watching USDF, we are watching their chart here. Anytime the market comes down, it means that the counter currency, that is CHF, is gaining strength against the base currency.
I see.
Then now, assuming the market started going up again, forming the green candle, I mean this green candle started going up again, it means that the base currency is gaining strength against the counter currency.
The US dollar is gaining strength against CHF.
Yes. Then, for example, maybe you listen to news, like maybe local news or CNN or on internet. Maybe you see a news that says that dollar is gaining strength. You know, dollar may be on its own. So dollar is gaining strength, and if you want to utilize that news on trade, on CHF, on USD CHF now, what you should do is to buy, because dollar is gaining strength against the quote currency. So invariably, the market is going to go up. I mean, the price is going to appreciate towards uptrend. This is very important because a lot of people don't know how to analyze this.
Okay.
Then the same rules applied in British pound USD. You know, here now, British pound is the base and USD is the put.
Yes.
So now, as you can see now, this is the current market. It's going up like this.
It's gaining strength.
The base is gaining strength. Thank you. So assuming the market started dropping now, it will be a sign that the counter is getting strength against the base. Now this is the current price, 1.03. Then
No.
it means that for you to have one Britain pound now, you have to have $1.30 to have one Britain pound. But in trading world, we trade in decimal point. Unlike bureau de change operators, that they will tell you, okay, £1 is $1.30. I'll give you £1. But when you're trading, it has to be on decimal point. So now you're trading. The current price for Britain pound USD now is 1.3099. In the sense that for you to get one Britain pound now, you have to. It will cost you $1.30. This is their current price.
Okay.
Then if the strength of Britain pound is increasing, this price will be going up, maybe 1.3099 to 1.30 okay, 1.3400. Accordingly, the price will be appreciating accordingly because the base currency is gaining strength. The same thing with crude oil. Now, see, crude oil is not a currency. It's a commodity. Look at crude oil. Then, when the price of crude oil is going up, okay, let me clarify you on something now. Can you hear me very clear now?
I'm hearing you clear.
The process that controls crude oil is more of demand and supply.
Okay.
Then, when there is a high demand to buy crude oil, the price of crude oil will go up.
Okay.
Then now, we the traders watches from the internet and see that the price is actually appreciating. What we have to do is to place buy, and the crude oil is valued with dollar. So this 46.67 you're watching here is $46.67 per barrel. That is the current the price of crude oil. And when you check online or listen to local news, buy newspaper, you also discover that crude oil today is $46.67, or maybe it may go up to $47, or it may come down to $45. But when their price is dropping like this now, as you can see now, there was a drop here. The market was here. The market came down to this point. It went up small. Now I came down to this point. Now went up. Now look at the current price now. So if the price drop more, it will reach from this $46 per barrel. It may come down to $44 per barrel. It will be coming down, and a trader will have to sell.
Okay. Okay. If it's coming down, you sell.
Yes.
If it's going up, you buy.
You buy.
Okay.
Are you with me now?
I'm with you.
Then the same rules apply in currency. When the currency is actually appreciating, it's a time to buy the currency. When the currency is depreciating, it's a time to sell. But the good thing in forex trading is that you make profit in both ways. Whether you are buying or selling, you make profit. Now, let me say this. Are you with me now? Hello.
Hello. Excuse me. Like this currency we're talking. I thought when the price is coming down, that's when you buy, and when it's going up, you sell.
I want to clarify something.
Okay.
Are you with me?
I'm with you.
You know, in a lot of economies, when price of any commodity or any instrument is high, when the price is high, there won't be more demand. I think you know that.
Yes.
Maybe assuming for in Nigeria now, the price of cars are very much high, you know, because of the dollar rate. So the demand in cars reduced. People doesn't buy car like that so now they are waiting for the price to drop.
Yeah.
So that it will be affordable for them.
Okay.
Then when the price of any commodity is very down, the demand will increase, and as the demand increase, the price is eventually going to increase. I hope you know that.
Yes.
Now, when you want to trade as a professional, it is important that you buy the currency when it is very low.
Okay.
Are you with me now?
I'm with you.
It is important that you buy the currency when it's very low. and sell the currency when it's very high.
Okay.
You buy the currency when it's very low and sell it when it's very high. My previous statement, he said when it's going up, you buy, when it's coming down, you sell. I said yes. But in an advanced way, it's important for you to buy a currency when the price is very low. Then if the price went up to some certain point, then you sell out your currency. So this is the most effective strategy of forex traders. It is applicable in all the instruments. Don't buy a currency when it's too high, and don't sell a currency when it's too low. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Then I'm expecting you to ask a question. How do you know when it is high and when it is low? Since the price of the currency changes every minute. That is very important question to ask. And I'm going to explain to you how to know when the currency is very high and to know when the currency is very low. Are you with me now?
Yeah.
In case you're not hearing me clear, just let me know so that I will be able to catch up with you.
I'm hearing you.
Now, assume you are a daily trader. I mean, you trade daily. You like to trade a daily. So what you're gonna do is to put your market on a daily chart. Watch over it within the day.
Okay.
Then now you will see the point the market open. Okay, for example, let me use this is Britain pound USD, and it's a monthly chart.
Okay. So sorry, how do I put it on a daily chart?
No, it's here. If you want to change the time frame, look at this point. You see
Okay,
1 minute.
all this. Okay, I see it. 15 minutes.
You see 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Are you using laptop or are you using phone?
I'm using laptop.
Okay. I believe you are understanding very fast as possible. Should I go ahead now? Should I go ahead?
Yes, go ahead.
Now, for example, this USD Swiss francs, their lowest price was here.
Okay.
Are you with me? Yes, the lowest price, this one occurred on 29th of June. The lowest price was here.
Okay.
The second one was here. The other one was here. So now, as you can see this chart now, US chef Swiss francs has not passed this point, and this point is around 0.9565. I mean, this is the lowest price it has gone to. For example, let me use this instrument. This instrument will help us to know the price. You just check this instrument here now. So as you can see at my end here, you discover that the highest price of this chef, I mean USD chef, is around 0.9551. That is their lowest price.
Yes.
And I'm watching for our chart. You see, at this point, it's not good to sell this currency at this point because this is their lowest price. Assuming you are a daily trader. Now currently now, their market, the price of USD have not passed 0.9599.
Okay.
Please, this is your best opportunity to understand this. In case you are not getting my point clearly, you can ask questions. Although we are recording the webinar live, later we will publish the video for other people to watch and record themselves too.
Okay.
Yes, at the same time I'm teaching you, I'm recording it at the same time. So we'll put on our Facebook for people to understand. So now, back to what I'm saying. At this point now is the highest price of the highest down chef has gone to 0.9600. Remember, I'm teaching you how to buy low and sell high. So anytime you are watching your market or this particular chart, and just take note that it is not good to sell at this point.
Okay.
Then it is good to buy at this point. For example, now the market went up to this point and came down to this point, almost coming closer to the last price. So it is very much important for you to buy here then and sell here, because presently now as a daily trader, this is the highest price of chef the highest price has not passed 0.97005, and it has not passed 0.9605. I mean, the highest price has not passed 0.9705, and the lowest price has not passed 0.9605. Are you following my analysis?
Yes.
So, assuming tomorrow now, you open your chart and discover that the price has gone down to 0.9605. Take note, it is the lowest price for the week or for the day, that it has not gone below this price. So, it don't sell at that price, don't sell. What you should do is to look for opportunity for buy. What I'm teaching you now is how to buy low and sell high. It is one of the best strategies. There are a lot of strategies we use in trading, but one of the most effective strategy is to buy low and sell high. Are you a businessman?
No.
Then, for example, let's say you're a businessman. You should know that when you want to buy an instrument or you want to buy a commodity, the best option for you is to buy it low. Then you now say high, then you make profit. So when you buy it high, unfortunately the price drop, you have lost. Are you with me now?
Yeah.
Then now in forex trading, when you buy a quality that is very high, maybe USD chef, when you buy it at a higher price, and the price started dropping from that point, you'll be losing because you purchased at a higher price. So you can only get your trade if the price went back to that particular point. You place your trade and keep going up from that point. Then you'll be making profit.
Okay.
This analysis is very simple. A lot of people, especially in Africa, don't understand how forex works. They don't really understand. It is a simple business. Just use your common sense. You understand it very clearly. Like we trade daily, weekly, and monthly, depending on the portfolio we are running. So now, another name for this strategy is called average price. Try to know the average. The average. Okay, let me use dollar and naira for instance. This is Nigerian naira. This is our Nigerian naira. This is the price 348 naira per dollar. Okay. For example, now in Nigeria we have two exchanges. We have the interbank rate. We have the black market rate. There was a time dollar went to 530 per dollar. Shall you know that?
Yes.
There was a time dollar went up to 530 per dollar. So now it was the highest price for dollar and naira. Look at it here. So now someone went at that point and bought the dollar at 530. Now dollar has come down to 380 in the black market. So the person have lose about, let's say, 100 pips.
Yes.
I mean 100 points, because if he's to sell back that dollar, you won't get it at rate of 530.
Yes.
So what the person should do is to wait until the price goes back to that 530, and then the person can sell and make profit.
I see.
Are you following me now?
Yes.
That is the same thing applicable in trading. I don't know if you have a question here.
Anyway, I don't have much. I don't have question.
No, think. There must be question. Because after this, I want to show you now how you can buy and sell.
Hello.
It's like someone asked question.
Hello.
I'm with you. Ask a question.
Yeah, I have a question. Can you go back to the USD CHF chart? Let me ask my question there, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm there now.
Okay. As you can see from the lowest, you say that it's not good to buy when the price is lowest.
Yes.
And from the chart, you can see the lowest price there.
Okay. What is it?
You said it's not good for us to buy a market or to sell market from the lowest price. We should look for opportunity for buy.
Yes.
Then from that chart now, if you bring out this in the chart now, you see that the lowest price now is 0.95 cents. That's the lowest. Hello?
Yes. Although your voice is breaking, I can't really hear what you said last time. Make sure that your mouth is not shaking.
Okay. Can you hear me now, sir?
I can hear you very clear now.
Okay. You said the lowest price, if you check from the lowest price now, is 0.95. That's the lowest price of that chart. Then from the last lesson conference I attended with you in Port Harcourt, you show us on how to detect a pin bar before we buy. Then as you can look now, I can see some pin bar there showing that the market is going to sell. So I don't understand. In that situation, what do we do, sir?
You mean on this chart you're watching now?
Yes. Just move your question to the right, to the left. Yes, sir.
See, currently now, what look like pin bar should be this,
Yes,
and
sir.
this also look like pin bar.
Yes, and it's showing buy, it's sell.
Yes, although the market has gone down to this point too. But now,
Yes.
what I'm saying that this market is coming down to almost to this point that is the highest low.
Yes.
So
Okay.
if this market drop to this point, no matter this number you are seeing, don't continue your sell
Okay, sir.
or don't enter sell at this point because of
Okay.
the strategy of buying low, say high. Has to do with the
Yeah.
price of the commodity.
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
now this pin bar, now look at the effect of it. It is this sell that is happening currently now. Okay, now we all
Okay.
correct traders. I assuming you place this sell here. You saw this pin bar. Let me check how many pips.
Yes.
Assuming you place this sell here.
Yes.
From here to this point is over 50 pips. Then somebody
Okay.
trading with 1 pip $10 have about $500 from here to here.
Yes. Yeah.
Then meaning that the pin bar have also said the truth to some extent.
Okay. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
based on the highest point of this currency, for example, let me show you another in a way that you get it very clear. Let me use another instrument. For example, now you see this point now. This point is the highest low. I mean, sorry, is the lowest low or lowest point of chef. Don't sell here. Don't sell at this price.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay.
once the market comes to this point, don't sell at this point. Again, that's also something that you
Okay.
need to. There's something that you need to understand. Are you with me now?
Yeah. I'm
This
with you.
chart. Now, this
Yes.
chart is hectic in nature. Hectic, we call it hectic chart. I mean, this chart is hectic. As you can see, the market came down here, go up to this point, came down, go up, came down. So the price is
Yes.
actually fluctuating. Eh?
Yes.
As you can see, now,
Yeah.
this type of
Yes.
chart, the best formula here is to sell here, buy here, because it's hectic. It's not like this one.
Okay.
Let me show you something. It's
Okay.
now look at Australia. Look at Australia. Now look at their chart. That chart is one way chart. As you
Yeah.
can see.
This one is uptrend.
This chart is one way chart. It's going up
Yeah,
one
I'm with you.
direction.
I'm with you. I can see the difference.
It's not like this one.
Yes.
So this chart is hectic chart.
Yes. Yes. This one.
So so now, as it's coming this point is a clear indication for you to buy low, say high, buy low, say high. So anytime the market drop to this point, you click buy. The market appreciate to this point, you click sell. Don't buy or sell in between. It is called the pivot point area. Don't buy and sell because of you may not know the direction. Always be at the safer side.
Okay.
Yes, I used to tell my friends about this thing. It's very simple. When you want to buy any commodity, buy it when it's very low, then sell it when it's very high.
Okay. When it's very high. Okay.
Yes,
I understand.
buy it when it's very
Thank
low.
you very much.
Sell it when it's very high. Then you make your
So
profit.
even if it bring out the pin bar at the middle, we should just watch it first to look for good opportunity to buy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I remember one thing
understand.
not all the pin bars is 100% accurate, but
Okay.
it can give you about 70%.
Okay.
Yes. How everyone is following?
Okay. Yeah, I'm following.
Okay.
Thank you very
Any other
much.
question? Another question? Okay. I want to let us. I want to go into trading so that we'll be able to monitor this trade accordingly. It will really help us. But first of all, before I do that, I would like to show some us how you can get this platform. This is our website where you can download the platform, the MT4 platform. And this is our and this is our website too for opening of accounts and funding. Look at fsnaira.com. Inside fsnaira.com. Our site for funding and open of account is instafsnaira.com.
Hello. Hello. I'm not hearing again. Oh.
Hello, he's trying to log into the site.
Okay.
Yeah, he's almost his mic. Let's just hold on.
Okay.
This is our website for those that want to use for funding of and withdrawal of account and open of account. It is from this website inside fsni.com that you can do that. I'm trying to set up the platform in a way that I will show us how to place trade accordingly. Because after this analysis, my last topic will be money management strategy. Because a lot of us don't actually know how to use the lot size. The lot size. The golden rule in forex trading is you should trade with 10% of your money. Assuming you are a businessman and you have a capital of 1 million to do your business, you should know your leverage. So you shouldn't go beyond your leverage. But most traders don't actually know how to do that. Most traders don't actually know. If you're a good trader, it will be possible for you to lose. Are you with me, House?
What's up?
What's going on?
Okay, I'm here now. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes. As you can see now, this is the current market now. I'm connected to the internet. I changed the system. This system is not actually giving us what I want because our major system is on thread. We are using it on our real trading, our trading room. So this is where you see the connection status. If you can see my mouse very well here, assuming you log in and there's no connection, here will be red. I mean, and there will be figure. You will see all this figure. All this, the connection status will show you no connection. So at this point is where you check. You will see your profit or your trade at this point. Currently, there's no open trade at this point. Are you with me? Hello.
Hello, I'm with you.
Okay, now at this point under trade is where you will see your balance of what you have in your forex account at this point. You must put it on that trade. Sometimes you open your system and it may be on history. You won't see your balance. So to make sure you put it on trade for you to see your balance. Then this is equity. Then this is margin. Then when you place a trade, your equity will change according to the trading according to your trade outcome, and why your balance will be constant until you close all your trade. Then this is margin. I will explain margin to us later when I try to open any trade. Then at this point, new order. If you're watching very well, at this point, new order. This point is where you place a trade. When you click on new order, you will see sell, buy.
Okay.
Are you with me now?
Okay. Yes.
You will see sell, buy. Then now, the currency we are watching is Euro JBP. Look at it here. Then this is their current price. This is their current price, 0.08757. As you can see, it's changing gradually. My friend asked a question. I don't know if you are with me. Based on buy low and sell high. Are you with me there now? Then, when you watch the chart now, you can see that the lowest point of this chart is here.
Hello, I'm with you.
Are you with me now?
Yeah, we are with you. I'm with you.
I can't really hear you. Your voice is breaking. It's cracking seriously.
I said I'm with you. Go on.
Okay, now you asked a question about this Swiss francs. Thank God, I'm connected to the internet now, so we can watch live market. What is here now is live market.
Okay.
It's live market all over the world.
Okay.
Now, this is the Kimba. Yeah, right. Now, this point now is the highest point of USHF currently now. At this point is the highest point. At this point. At this point. So it is not good. It is not good for you to sell at this point.
To buy.
This is buy low and sell high price. It's
to buy.
Good, no matter what. Because right now we are on 4 hours chart. We are currently watching 4 hours chart. This 4 hours chart means that each of these candlesticks comes in 4 hours. So when you count 2 candlesticks, you have counted 8 hours. That's almost the whole working day. So 4 candlesticks will give us 16 hours. So more 4 will give us about more 2 candlesticks will give us about 24 hours. So for example, since 14th of July, check at this point, you see that it's 14th of July, the market was up here and came down to this point. So today is 28th. For the past 6 days, this is the lowest point of USHF. Under buy low and sell high strategy, here is the best point to buy. As you can see, the market is going up.
Yes.
Here is the best point to buy. Then, assuming this market keep going up to this point, please don't sell again. Sorry, please don't buy again. Assuming this market is keep going up to this point. Don't buy again. Don't buy.
But you can buy at this point.
Yeah. Yes. I see that at this point, someone can buy. Then once you place your buy, you put your stop loss within this point. But our own trading strategy, we always buy at this point. It's important that we place our buy at this point so that we gain early. For example, someone that places a buy at 0.95365 have gained more money now because he placed the buy at 0.95365. Now this is the current price now. The current price is now 0.95771. Are you to your house?
Yeah.
As you can see, the person bought low, and the market the price has appreciated to this point, so the person will be on profit at this point.
Yes.
Will be on profit. Then another way to know the average price is also when you put it on daily. Like it's always advisable to use a 4-hour chart and the daily candlesticks. We don't advise 15-minute chart or 5 minutes unless if you're taking binary option. I think you can hear me very clear.
Yes.
So now this is the daily chart. This is daily chart. So currently this is the current candlesticks. So it's showing you that today is up trade. And as you can see, the market came down from this point to 2nd of May. 2nd of May, the market came down to this point. So here was the previous low. Are you with me? Here now was the previous low. Here was another low. Now this is the current low.
Okay.
Here was the previous low of USD.
Yes. Then
here was another low. Now here now is the current low.
Okay.
So now to trade then on this chart on that short yes, ask a question. I'm with you. Ask a question.
Yes. From the current low now, from the current low now, that position that the market is now is the current low position.
Yes.
Then how can we know that the market will not still go down to another position?
Then
are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you. Then if this chart will continue down, it must first of all appreciate a little.
Yes.
Yeah, before it will continue down.
Okay.
Unless
Okay.
there is an economic force that will continue to push the market
Okay.
more down. For example, let me show you
Okay.
an example.
Okay.
Here is the current high. Here was
Yes.
the previous height. As you can see, here was the
Yes.
previous height. The market came down to this point, and now went up to this
Yeah.
point. Now came down again
And
to
we
this
go
point.
to the
Went up.
point.
So you have to
Now
observe
went
all
up.
these things when you are buying low and selling high, and especially when you are
Okay.
a short-term trader, like a weekly trader or daily trader, or yes, a weekly trader and a daily trader. So now
Yes.
when you watch the chart, you can see
Yes.
that chef is gaining strength against dollar because the market is selling. The market is seriously selling, but
Mm.
the retracement doesn't pass some. Let me check these pips now. The retracement doesn't see some from here to here. Let's say about 80 pips retracement. So if this market retraces back to this point, it will be another avenue for you to counter the trade. I mean, to place buy based on buying
Okay.
lows because the market is heading towards that trade until when there is a full confirmation of a long-term reversal.
Yes.
Are you
So
with
now,
me?
if we have to place, yes. So what you are saying now, if we are to place buy at the current position now, our take profit should not exceed 30 pips or 20 pips.
Come again, let me ask you. I didn't hear you clear.
Okay, I said from the current position of the market now, since it has not shown the reversal sign, but
Yes.
looking at the chart, the market is up and down chart, but it's a downward chart, but it's up and down. So now, if we are going to place a buy now at the current position now, so we should set our take profits not more than 30 pips.
Yes.
Is that what
Yes. When you place buy in this market,
Okay.
don't target high because the market is still heading towards down trend. But
Okay.
don't sell here. Don't sell at this point. It's risky.
Okay.
Yes. Don't sell.
Okay.
You know one thing. Most of us we don't have
Okay.
enough money to
I
trade. We
understand.
have like $100, $500, $1,000 in our account. So it's not a good idea
Yeah.
to leave a trade at a long time. Yes.
Okay. Okay. I understand,
That one
sir.
is very clear now.
Yes, it's very clear.
Okay now.
Hello.
Now, for
Hello.
example,
I
see
have
the
a
current.
question.
You have a question?
Yes.
Okay, ask
Like
me.
when we were talking about, the time the market open, the open price. That
I
the
can't
person
really hear
that
you
bought
very clear.
I said, are you hearing me now?
I'm trying
Hello.
to hear you.
Can you hear
I
me
can
now?
hear. Yes.
All right. I want to know how will someone know when the market is open for you to start placing either your buy or your sell order? Do you get my question?
Can you ask the question again?
I said, how will one know when the market is open? Because by looking at this chart, I discovered that there are people that have placed buy order at this earlier point. Now, how do I know when the market open so that I can place earlier?
Okay.
Than now?
No. See. The forex market runs 24 hours, 5 days a week.
Okay.
But now, on a daily chart, for example, now on this chart we are watching Britain pound USD, this is their daily trade. It's coming down today. The market is coming down. So this market opens here. The market opens at this point when it's 24 hours. Let's say around 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. yesterday. This is daily trade. So the chart opens here. This chart opens here, and it kept coming down to this point. So in the midnight today, it will close. Hello.
Okay.
But the market is 24 hours. Remember, this is chart. While this is the price of the market, this price is open 24 hours, 5 days a week. But we can use the chart to do analysis. To do our analysis. Now, for example, this is another sign of buying low and sell high. As you can see here now is the previous low of Britain pound USD follow with this point. Now here now is the highest point. Are you with me, house? At this point here, yes, somewhere here is the highest point. Now the market has started coming down. So assuming this market comes down to this point, just take note that you don't have to keep selling. You just have to buy. Maybe at 1.2892, maybe you come down to 1.2874. Sorry, 1.28470. Just note that the market is coming down to the previous low. Remember, you are a daily trader. It's advisable for you to counter your buy at this point. Are you with me now?
Yeah, I'm with you.
This is how to buy low and sell high. And for you to know when the market opens is here. The market opens here. Okay, for example, let's use Chef. This is Chef. This is also a daily chart on Chef. This candlestick opens at this point. This is where the market opens. Remember, when market is going up, it has to start from a low price and go up. I think you know that. When the price of any commodities is going to go up, it will go up from a lower point. So the market opens here and appreciates to this point. Why this one now? The candlesticks opens here and came down to this point because it's coming down from the up. As you can see, it's still depreciating more down. Are you with me now?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Then another thing I want to let us know is how to trade and manage your money accordingly. Many traders don't know how to do this. At this point, that's what we call volume. This volume is also known as lot size. You see this volume here? Each broker has their own different parameters of how their lot size runs. Like we Interforex, our minimum volume is 0.01. This 0.01 lot is the minimum. Follow is 0.02, 0.03, and 0. And up to 8 points. Even you can as well type your own point by yourself by maybe 40, 200. Now, this volume or lot size is how you measure your profit, or how your profit runs for you. Are you with me now? And you're going to choose this lot size based on your capital. Assuming you're trading with $1,000 account, and someone else is trading with a $5 account, you guys cannot choose the same volume. It's not possible. Are you with me now? You guys cannot choose the same volume. For example, now you have a $100 account, and someone else is trading $10 account. You guys cannot choose the same volume. Let me show you simple ways of how to manage your volume. Remember, your leverage must also play a role when you are choosing your volume and all of that. Then, for example, when I choose 0.01 and place trade, either buy or sell, each price movement gives me 1 cent. Are you with me?
Yeah.
When I choose 0.02 and place a trade, each price movement will give me 2 cents. Once there's any movement in price, I will gain 2 cents. For example, now this is the current price of Britain pound, 1.2922. As you can see, it's changing. Now this is currently 1 trade. If I place trade now, the market appreciates to 1.6. You know, it has gone to 1.6. That's 3 pips. It has gone to 2.1. My profit will be counting based on 2 cent parameter, 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents accordingly. For example, when I place a trade at 1.2950, and the market move from 50 to let's say I place a buy at 1.2950, and the price of the market move from 1.2951, I've gained 2 cents. If it moves to 1.2952, that's 2 points, that's 2 pips, I've gained 4 cents. If it moves from there to 1.2953, I've gained 6 cents because I selected 0.02, and that is how my profits will be running. Are you with me now?
Yeah.
Then, assuming I put it on one people gives me $1. When I place a trade using one lot size with Interforex, let's say I place sell or buy, one people movement gives me $1. If I place the trade at 1.2950, and the market move from 1.2951, I will get $1. 1.2952, I get $2. 1.2953, I get $3. So I've gained 3 pips. But you're gonna choose this lot size based on the capital you have. When you're trading with $1,000 account, it's advisable that you choose maximum number of one lot size or 0.50. 0.50 give you 50 cents per pips. So with this parameter, you're trading with almost 5% of $1,000. So with this level now, you're not putting your money on a risk level. Your money is no longer on or your trade is not on a risk pact. But your profit will be coming in gradually. When you get 20 pips today, it will be $10 profit for you. When you get 50 pips today, it will be $25 profit for you from the $1,000 account. Are you with me now?
Yeah.
Okay, for example, let me give you an example here. Let's say I have this amount of money here now, and the market is selling. I apply sell. Okay, not enough money because it's $1. There's no enough money in the account because it's $1. Let me try to select another account that has money. This one's having $5,000. Let me try to log into this account. If you have any question, you can ask me. Any questions so far?
No question from my own side. I'm following.
Okay, I'm trying to show you also how we can place trade, but unfortunately, some accounts here are not active.
Okay.
I'm trying to log into an account that has money so that I will place a trade. All of us will see how it runs.
Okay.
Just currently no connection now. Okay, let's continue anyway. Let me go back to this account. Yeah, it's connected to internet now. It's connected. I hope you have do you have any question based on the lot size? Now, when I said that the maximum lot size for $1,000 should be maximum should be one lot. This is the best way to trade. It doesn't mean that maybe 7 lots won't get $1,000, but it will be risky. This 7 lots, this eight lot size will give you $8 per 1 pip. So when you make 10 pips today, you're making about $40 from $8. But we don't always advise you trading $8 lot size with $1,000 account. We recommend you trading $1,000 account with one loss with 1 point. Then assuming you have $100 account, you use 0.10 maximum. I understand that you will use 0.05 at the first place. Maybe you play but the maximum number of lot size you should use is 0.10 maximum. On this level, you trade with 10% of your money. So you have about $90 in your equity. Are you with me now? And you're also going to have enough margin to trade. For example, assuming you have a $500 account, the maximum number of lot size is 0.50. That is the maximum number. So understand that you may place your first trade using 0.20 or 0.10, but don't exceed 0.50. This is our money management strategy. Are you with me now?
Yeah.
Then now, when you're trading commodities like crude oil, crude oil is $47 per barrel. This is the current price of crude oil. Here is the lowest point. So don't sell crude oil at this point. This is a very strong reversal. Don't sell crude oil at this point.
Okay.
Don't sell at this point. Yes. So if the oil market is going to come more down, no problem. But it's not good that we place sell when the market is at this point. But now this is the current price. This is the current market. It is now $47, 12 cents per barrel. This is the current price. Then in crude oil trade, our lot size is not the same thing with currency trade. When you choose one lot size in crude oil, it gives you $1 pip $10. One lot size in crude oil gives you $1 pip $10. It's no more going to be $1 pip $1. Then when you want to get $1 pip $1 in crude oil, you use 0.10. This is crude oil. For you to get 1 pip, because crude oil is a commodity, so the margin is high, and you just have to use 0.10 to get $1 per pips. Assuming you put 10.00 here, just note that 10.00 lot size will be giving you $1 pip $100. $1 pip $100. This is for crude oil. A lot of our beginners don't actually know how to use this volume, and they're making a lot of mistakes. Any questions so far?
No.
Then assuming you're trading on gold, this is gold. The current price of gold today is $1.237.62 per ounce. Let's say daily chart. You go on daily chart to check the average price per day. Because this is daily. The highest price of gold was this point. So there was a reversal to this point. Now, you see at this point on gold, it's not good to buy at this point. Are you with me? Ask me reason. This is the highest buying point. I mean, the highest price of gold currently now. This is the highest price. So don't be the last to buy. Are you with me now? Don't be the last to buy. Sometimes we see this chart here and let's buy, and the market may start coming down from that point, because whatever thing goes up must come down. Whatever thing goes down must go up. That is the rule in trading. If if the price of any currency comes down, it will eventually go up. So we try to understand the average. What is the average of dollar and naira within this period? For example, since our president Buhari traveled out, dollar has been trading between 387 to 360. I think you know that in Nigeria, in naira. So don't buy dollar when it is 387. Buy it now that it has dropped to 360 something. You can buy. If the price goes back to 387, 380, then you sell out. Are you see now? This is the same thing on how to trade online too. If you have any question, you can ask me. I want to rush the class because my time is too short now. I want to let us go a little into fundamentals, but I'm not gonna go deep in it because there are a few things I would like any trader to note about fundamental. Assuming you want to trade in oil, we recommend this website, oilprice.com. Oilprice.com for you. And we recommend also Bloomberg.com for you.
Hello?
Are you with me?
Hello? Yeah, with you. The second one, you said Oilcom. The second one, what's the answer?
Hello? I didn't hear you clear.
I can hear you clear. It's the first one you said oilprice.com. Then what's the second one?
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. If you can, if you are math is giving you challenge, I prefer you say that. Hello, can you hear me now? Are you with me?
Which now? I'm with you. Go on.
Hello.
Oh?
Now, this is oilprice.com. This is where we get details about the latest news in oil. When you come down here, as you can see, okay, the prices are loading. It will soon come up at this point. The prices are loading. The prices are loading here. Here, if you see the breaking news about oil. This is the latest energy news. India government plan to create state oil giant. The only way OPEC can kill US. This is where you can get a non-fundamental analysis on how to trade on crude oil. Another place is on Bloomberg.com. The site is loading. Yes, this is Bloomberg.com. It's a German television. It's loading. Any question so far? This is a Nigerian oil thief keep a lead on as put even as bomb against you go to South Africa for failure. Okay, this is where you get fundamentals. Our next class, I'm gonna expatiate more on fundamentals. There are, I'm gonna give us 5 major events that drive currency market. 5 major events, and all these events always occur in every month. All these events always occur. As you can see, this is where you see the market. This is stocks. This is currency. This is future. This is Euro USD. We go on currency here. You will see the current news on currency. It's also important that you change this point. From Bloomberg.com, you can see prices. This is the current values, the current change, and this Euro USD. This is all the change today in currency world. This is where we get fundamental. Let me. This news came in 4 hours ago. Japanese intercept huge hunter. This Euro hot traders rally for traders to get this. This area is where we get fundamentals, and it's helps us to do analysis proper. Because on technical, the person that derives the market from fundamentals. This is the current oil currency news so far. And as you can see, when you check the price of this currency now, when you check the price of this is the value 1.1506. That is the current value of Euro USD. So when you check Euro USD now, you will discover that when you check Euro USD now, this is Euro USD. When you check Euro USD now, it's that the market is also at 1.150509. That is the current price of Euro USD as now. Let's put it on daily chart. This is the current price of Euro USD. As you can see now, are you to your house?
Yes, I'm with you.
This is the current price of Euro USD. And the Euro has been up for a long time. Euro USD has been up for a long time. So everybody is expecting a reversal on Euro. Everybody's expecting. So at this point, it's not good to buy euro at this point. The price is very high. So it is a good point for sellers to come in. This is USD. Now, this is a clean bar. As you can see now, it has dropped to this point. Are you with me now? It's not that good to buy
I'm
euro
with you.
USD at a very high. It's not that good to buy euro USD at a high point.
Okay.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry. I can't hear you. Sorry, your voice is cracking.
I'm with you. Go on. Yeah.
So this is where we stop for today. I don't know if you have any question regarding what What is it? What is it? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me?
This is where we stop for today. In case you have any question, you can come up on our chat and drop direction on our WhatsApp group or send us email. Remember, our website is www.fs. This is our website. This is our website.
Okay.
This is our website. You can open an account here. A live account here. You can make deposits. You can deposit naira. You can another deposit. You can transfer and you go to see all of our services. Well, my name is Mr. my name is Mr. Wishe. I think we have learned a lot today. This is where we are going to call it a day. I'll make the video available on our YouTube for other people who are not present here at the seminar. So let them watch and get themselves educated. Thank you so much. Thank you.